Adrian LaFosse here with the Columbia New Home Buyer team. You can find us online at columbianewhomebuyer.com. Today we're doing a BuildWatch video. BuildWatch is a video diary series where we watch a home being built from the ground up. And today is September 5th, 2018. This is an Ashley plan being built by Hurricane Builders in Amber Creek, which is in Blythewood, South Carolina. This is lot 7 Ashley, because I've been doing videos on lot 36 in the same neighborhood, same floor plan. So we're checking up on the latest build progress here. All right, so you see the family room and the fireplace right there is being covered up where they just recently did some painting. So this is the formal dining room, could be an office, whatever you like. You can see the doors are getting ready to be installed. Extra piece of cabinetry there. So we're in the family room with the nice tall ceilings. And actually get another angle here at the dining room. Got that nice archway right there. And on this right side of the house, you have 2 secondary bedrooms with 2 linen closets, 1 on each side, a full bathroom, another linen closets, and then another secondary bedroom. Another look here from the front door to the formal dining room, family room, and the kitchen right here with the cabinetry installed and the vinyl flooring. It's a really good choice there, like that. Nice cabinetry. Eating kitchen area right here. Get another angle here of the family room. Kitchen here. And in between the garage and the kitchen is the washer and dryer. Some people call this a mudroom. Again, it has the flooring installed. And a coat closet right here. And then the master bedroom with its tray ceiling. And again, you see the doors are being prepared. And the master bathroom. So it looks like, I think that piece of extra piece of cabinetry goes right there to make a double sink vanity, garden tub, stand-up shower with a seat, and then the master closet goes around the corner there a little bit. Another angle here of the bathroom, shower again, garden tub, double sink vanity. So we're scheduled to close in 3.5 weeks. So that's about right. So because next, in the next 10 to 14 days, you should have the doors in, the lighting fixtures, plumbing fixtures, granite countertops, maybe carpet, and just finish off the covered porch here with the proper foundation to hold up the cover there. So a lot of progress has been done, a lot of progress to be done, and so we'll see you on the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one.